My name is Dr. Jack Jansen. I'm a chiropractor in Green Bay, Wisconsin. I've been practicing about 24 years and have been using the Kangen machine and making alkaline water with our family and for my patients for probably the last 10 years. Alkaline water is a tremendous health benefit by changing the pH of the intake of your food and water. It'll increase the pH level within your body, making you healthier. You can digest your food better. You can. It helps to flush out and eliminate toxins within the body. Many people with various conditions notice an improvement in their level of health, and many people can realize a decrease in their need for various prescription medicines. The reason why I recommend alkaline water to my patients, particularly the Kangen water, is because the change in the pH and also the way the water is transformed within the machine molecularly helps the body to flush out a lot of toxins and physiological byproducts that get kind of stuck in the tissue. And like one patient of mine has had really very bad chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia for 20 years. And when she started on the water, she noticed she didn't have as many sore spots, and she was able to sleep much better at night, and her digestion and elimination improved significantly. Also, I've got some patients with diabetes, and as they got on the water, they noticed their blood sugars were not spiking as high and as low as they had been previously. So there's a lot of different health benefits, and many other diseases and chronic health conditions respond really well to the water.